Hello friends, welcome back to HYD Hosting YouTube channel. Today is the third video of WordPress tutorials. In the first episode we have seen how to get a free domain from Freenome. In the second video we have seen how to update the name servers of .tk domain and how to purchase the hosting from HYD Hosting, and we have already installed our WordPress and theme in our second episode. If you have missed our first and second video tutorials, then you can find the link in our description. You can check that episodes also. So today we are continuing with doing the settings in the WordPress and customizing the Iron Mac theme. Let's start. Okay, this is our hyddemo.tk dashboard. We have installed the demo data in the last video. This is how our website is looking. Next we need to do the settings. Here is the setting. Here, yes. Start from the general. Here you can write site title, description of a website, then URL. Okay, we need to create the mail. We will see one video tutorial this also in the coming days, but now let it be. Next you need to tick this, anyone can register. That's all. You need to click save changes. Next, writing. You can select the category from here. By demo we have imported a demo. That's why many categories have imported from the demo. So we will choose one. After creating the mail, you need to fill your mail details here. Next, you need to click save changes. Third setting, reading. From here you need to choose your home page and blog page. You need to tick this box because we are developing the website, so we don't want a search engine to look in this under construction website, so we are discouraging the search engine. After we finish off of making our website, then we will be untick it and save changes. But now we need to tick it, save changes. Next discussion, permalink we have seen last. Okay, no problem. Next we are moving to IronMac theme panel. From here we can able to change all these options in the theme. From here we can change the header, how it is looking. So you can play here, you can select one, look there how it is appearing. Like that you can select one, these are these and look from here, look here, visit to the site page and you look there, whichever look right to you that you can select. I kept as a default. Next, default menu, top bar. Okay, top bar means the bar which is coming at the extreme top. Okay, that how I want. Okay, I keep it default. Default is okay for me. Next, social icons. If you want you can show there. Sign in. If you want you can show everything. We can set from here. Next, header menu. Okay, favicon and logo. Okay, how to make the logo and favicon we are going to see in our next video, so stay tuned. For now we are leaving as it is. See, we need to look the size from here, 16 into 16 pixel, 544 into 180. So this size of logo needed, this size of favicon is needed for our website. So I'm keeping as it is, not changing anything here. Next option, footer. I have selected simple one. Okay, by default there will be this second style. I'm clicking selected first one. Next, if you have an Instagram, you can able to fill your details here. Then info, content. Here footer, logo, when you create a logo, same details you can fill, you need to fill here. Next, footer background image you can change from here. You need to remove this default image, upload the new image. Next, sub footer. Okay, here copyright 2020 HYD demo, all rights reserved. You can write your website name here. Then save settings. Next, what else we need? Post settings. We need to have feature images. All those things are not needed. Next, log settings, not needed. Background, transition code, theme color. Okay, from here you can change the colors. Tons of options are available. Even though it's a free theme, it's give you a features like premium theme. That's why I have selected this theme to show you in demo. Next, you can change the footer color, sub footer color, post color. You can play with number of options here. Next, theme analytics. When you install a Google Analytics plugin, you will be getting a tracking code. This tracking code we will be filling here in our next upcoming video episodes or videos. Next, social networking. Okay, whatever you have, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you need to fill here. Then you need to save the settings. Okay, ads is also there. when your blog grow older, number of visitors are coming regularly, then you can able to place the ads in this many positions. Free themes, other free themes don't provide this option, but IronMag offering this option. So this is a free best theme available with all the premium options. Next, let's see how our website is looking now. Okay, no changes. We will be seeing the post, a single post. We will click the post and see how it look like. Here, okay. So this is our single post look like, with a feature image, with a sidebar. All these are the direct settings which we have imported. So we need not change anything here. Next we need to go, what we need to do next. Next we need to go to all pages, all pages. With a demo there will be a number of pages will be there. So I have deleted all the pages, only kept few pages, like about us page. In this page you need to write about you or your company, about your blog. Next, contact us page, home page. This is a blog page, private policy, sample page. These 6 to 7 pages are enough for the beginners. Remaining all pages you need to delete. Okay. Next, come to all posts. See here, 73 published posts are there. Just tick all, move to trash, apply. In similar way you need to delete the pages also. I have already deleted, so I am showing how to delete in a post. Now 53, each time 20 will delete. Apply. Three are there. Delete more 20. Apply. Only 13 left. Let it be. We will see afterwards. And then go to categories. Here also select all, bulk action, delete, apply. Only sport is remained because we have selected this as our default category. in the settings. That's why it is remind. All 13 came in this category. Okay, let it be. Next what we need to do, we need to install the plugin now. Install plugin. From here add new. First thing we need to set up contact us page. So we need a plugin contact form 7. Here contact form 7, install. Activate. Contact form. We are going in the contact plugin now. See here, there is a short code will be there. Copy the short code. We have already created a contact page by just add new, and we have given only a title. The remaining page was empty. So I am filling the code now. Click here, edit. This contact us page is from the demo page. Or you can create it. See, nothing is there. I have deleted all demo data. Next, just we are pasting your code. Update. After update, view the page. See, contact page is now available. It will be creating contact page automatically. We need not do all these things. Next we need to go for the menu. From here you need to select which demo you want to set. Main menu will is there, footer menu, top header menu. Main menu, select. After that you need to give view all. Okay. See, these all are the demo menus. You need to delete all these things. All demo menu you need to delete one by one. Like that you delete all these things. Then see, you tick whatever pages you have created, you tick add to the menu. It will be coming here. So similarly you can do for the footer and top menu. Okay, from here you can select the menus. Next we are going to widget options. Appearance widget. we have selected the style 1 in the footer region, so it is simple showing only these 3 boxes. If you select the style 2, there will be a footer 1, footer 2, footer 3 will be there. Okay, so simply just whatever you want to add, you just click here from this side, add to menu, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, wherever you want to add you can add, but I have selected a simple one because I prefer simplicity. If you have selected a style 2, then you can add any things into your footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. Okay, next. Okay, this is top menu, this is header menu, and here is a footer menu, home, contact page, about us page. This we have written already. So this background image also we can able to change. Okay, with this we have completed the customer settings and customerizations of Ironmac theme. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to HYD Hosting YouTube channel.